Pandas, multiple conditions while indexing data frame, unexpected behavior. I am filtering rows in a data frame by values in 2 columns. For some reason the OR operator behaves like I would expect an operator to behave and vice versa. My test code. And the result. As you can see, the AND operator drops every row in which at least one value equals -1. On the other hand, the OR operator requires both values to be equal to -1 to drop them. I would expect exactly the opposite result. Could anyone explain this behavior? I am using pandas 0.13.1.
As you can see, the AND operator drops every row in which at least one value equals -1. On the other hand, the OR operator requires both values to be equal to -1 to drop them. That's right! Remember that you're writing the condition in terms of what you want to keep, not in terms of what you want to drop. For df1, you're saying keep the rows in which df.a is at -1 and df.b is at -1, which is the same as dropping every row in which at least one value is -1. For df2, you're saying keep the rows in which either df.a or df.b is not -1, which is the same as dropping rows where both values are -1. PS, chained access like dfa1 equals -1 can get you into trouble. It's better to get into the habit of using .lock and .illic.
Late answer, but you can also use query, I.
A little mathematical logic theory here. Not A and not B is the same as not A or B, so a not -1 and B not -1 is equivalent of not A is -1 or B is -1, which is opposite, complement, of A is -1 or B is -1. So if you want exact opposite result, df1 and df2 should be as below.
By De Morgan's laws, I, the negation of a union is the intersection of the negations, and, 2, the negation of an intersection is the union of the negations, i.e. if the aim is to drop every row in which at least one value equals -1, you can either use AND operator to identify the rows to keep or use OR operator to identify the rows to drop. On the other hand, if the aim is to drop every row in which both values equal -1, you do the exact opposite, either use OR operator to identify the rows to keep or use AND operator to identify the rows to drop.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.